Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest reviews on top quality products in the market. Today, we have something special for all you diesel engine enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the Dox Diesel 7.3L Powerstroke oil filter, which claims to be the best oil filter available for the 7.3L Powerstroke engine. Stick around to find out if it lives up to the hype. Let's dive right in and explore what makes the Dox Diesel Powerstroke oil filter stand out from the rest. First and foremost, this oil filter is designed for the 7.3L Powerstroke engine, covering model years from 1994 to 2003. It's a direct replacement for the FL1995 filter, and it comes in a convenient 12-pack. Now, what sets this oil filter apart is its OEM grade quality. Dox diesel filters are engineered to meet or exceed the performance of the original filters that come with your vehicle. They use premium-grade filter media paper, which is crucial for efficient filtration. This filter has a 25-micron rating with an impressive 99.9% efficiency rating, meaning it effectively captures particles down to 25 microns, which is essential for protecting your engine. It's also rigorously tested for efficiency, capacity, and burst strength. One of the standout features of the Dox Diesel 7.3L Powerstroke oil filter is its durable construction with high-flow filter media. This ensures that your engine gets clean, filtered oil without any restrictions in flow. Another significant advantage is its interchangeability. It directly replaces the FL1995 filter. But as always, it's essential to check fitment for your specific vehicle before use. Now, let's talk about why Dox Diesel is gaining recognition in the aftermarket diesel filter industry. They offer a complete range of premium diesel filters, including fuel, air, cabin air, water separator, and, of course, oil filters. And here's something you might find interesting. Dox Diesel is a small business brand. So when you purchase their products, you're supporting small businesses. It's always nice to know that your purchase makes a difference. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the price. A 12-pack of these high-quality Dox Diesel 7.3L Powerstroke oil filters is available on Amazon for just $163.99, making it an excellent value for the performance it offers. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best oil filter for your 7.3L Powerstroke engine, the Dox Diesel Powerstroke oil filter is a top contender. With OEM grade quality, efficient filtration, and great value, it's certainly worth considering for your diesel vehicle. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used this product or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.